In which year National Games was held in Assam? 2007. The Guwahati Tea Auction Center was established in the year of 1970. The Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited Industry is located at Lepetkata. Guwahati University was established in the year of 1948. The total number of parliamentary constituency in Assam is 14. Lakshminath Besbarua is honored with Rasaraj by Assam Secretariat in the year of 1931. Halodhia Soraye Baodhan Khai won the National Film Award for Best Feature Film in the year of 1988. The film Halodhia Soraye Baodhan Khai was directed by Jahnu Burwa. Namghosa was written by Madhavdev. The terracotta industry is located in Dhubri. The Ahom Kingdom was established in the year 1228. The Shivadol was constructed during the reign of Shivasingha. The first stadium of Assam was built in Jorhat. During freedom struggle, the Mitru Bahini was formed by Pushpalata Das. The author of Asamiya Sahitya Burunji is Devendranath Besbarua. Which king is also known by the nickname as Bhagaraja Surampa?
Thank you.